Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Insurance Tech. Today we are going to proceed ahead with the key terms in insurance. Premium. So the amount which you pay for every insurance policy to insurance company is called premium. So for example, if you buy life insurance, health insurance, motor insurance, the amount which you're paying to insurance company, that premium, that amount is called premium. So it can be paid out annually, monthly, quarterly, depending upon your insurance policy or whatever you have asked from insurance company according to your ease. Generally it is annually. Deductible. Yes, deductible is another important terms which has to be kept in mind while going ahead with the insurance policy. So first thing first is that not all the amount will be borne out from the insurance company. There will be certain amount which has to be paid out from insured's pocket. That amount is called deductible. So for example, you have a health insurance policy and you get admitted in the hospital and your bill is 1 lakh rupees. In that case, if there is a 10% deductible, that 10,000 rupees gonna be borne from your pocket and 90,000 rupees will be provided by insurance companies. So what is the concept of deductible, why it is important, that we are going to deal in ahead in coming lectures. Third one is the coverage part. So coverage is a protection and the benefit you get from your insurance policies, because that insurance copy or insurance policy is a single source of truth. You cannot deviate, or insurance company cannot deviate from the coverage, premium, sum insured, so whatever is listed out in insurance policy, that is a single source of truth, and that includes your coverage part. So coverage part, as in you're gonna go ahead with a life health insurance policy. In that case, there are certain coverages, certain exclusions. Coverage, as in you're going to be insured for this diseases, this part. And for example, you have a health insurance policy, you're going to go ahead, you're going to get admitted in the hospital. For example, you get admitted into for example, Max or Apollo. In that case, you want to furbish your life insurance, health insurance copy, and if that secures you from your cataract is an exclusion though, but then if you get in inclusion, for example, you have a dengue. In that case, a mosquito bite is there, and people will come to know with this test, yes, you have been suffering from mosquito bite, and then it get distributed into mosquito due to dengue. In that case, you are covered, and that dengue part has to be mentioned in your insurance copy. If that is mentioned, you have to cross verify, you have to cross check. In that case, you will be ticked and your policy comes into picture. But then if you're going to go ahead for the cataract operations, and if it is not mentioned in your coverage, it is in the exclusion part, then it's null and void. Insurance will not be valid even if you have paid your premium. Yes, that's correct. So we have dealt with coverage and exclusion. Now we're going to go ahead with the claims part. So claims part is a formal request which you have to furbish to your insurance company. For example, XYZ, for example, we have ICICI Lombard, Tata AIG, SBI General. You have to furbish, you have to call them, whatever media, maybe email them that yes, I have been there's an unfortunate incident and I want to make a claim. In that case, there will be a formal request that will get recorded. They'll ask you about your details, your policy number, and then they're gonna proceed ahead at the back end, and then they're gonna release in whatever time they have, whatever survey they want to do, and then it's gonna be you're gonna be fortified, and that amount will get credited into your bank account. Policy limit. So policy limit is the maximum amount which your insurer will pay you for your losses. For example, you have secured your life, for example, LIC, or maybe say Max Life Insurance. You have been covered up till 15 lakhs of life insurance coverage. Now if there is some maybe unfortunate incidents, or your life insurance policy says 15 lakhs, you cannot not gonna go get 20 lakhs, because your policy limit is 15 lakhs. So that capping which is mentioned, so that capping has to be kept in mind. You cannot claim that, and that is specifically mentioned in your policy copy. That will be your single source of truth. Let me know the key terms, like if you face any of the other difficulties in insurance terms you want to take ahead with me separately, you can comment, you can subscribe to my channel. Let me know how do you like this lecture. I know we are new to this lecture, but then eventually we're gonna grow and learn more of insurance terms, technologies, and just want to say subscribe friends, so that we can move ahead in this journey. Thank you. Good night.